Namaste, प्यारे बच्चों. Today we are going to start the third term. So in this term, first we are going to learn one festival. We all like festivals, am I right? Everybody likes what festival? Tamil Nadu and all. In that area, Pongal is one of the famous festival. So today, in this lesson 10, we are going to learn about Pongal. Okay, are you ready? भारत त्योहारों का देश. Listen, first of all students, you have to take one pencil. Already I have told, but once again I repeat. All of you have to take one pencil and rubber. When I explain the meanings, just underline the word, new meanings, new words. Underline the word and write the meaning. I will explain in English that you have to write. That also will be there for exam. Okay, that's why I told to underline and write the meaning. Clear? Okay, we will start. भारत त्योहारों का देश है. Yeah, we know that India is the country of festivals. It is a place of festivals. Yeah, यहाँ खुशी उपलब्धि का हर अवसर उत्सव या त्योहार के रूप में मनाया जाता है. Here, if we get any chance to celebrate, actually India is the place of celebrations that we know, and if we get any chance to celebrate any celebrations, we will never miss it. यहाँ खुशी और उपलब्धि का हर अवसर उत्सव या त्योहार के रूप में मनाया जाता है. Here, खुशी, what is the meaning? खुशी, happy, that we know. उपलब्धि का हर अवसर. उपलब्धि, what is the meaning of उपलब्धि? उपलब्धि का real meaning is availability. Or here, what is the meaning? Achievement. Yeah, happiness. And if you have any achievement in such any chance, if we get to celebrate, we will never avoid that. We will never miss it. Am I right? So same way, उपलब्धि का हर अवसर, every chance, उत्सव या त्योहार के रूप में, उत्सव एंड फेस्टिवल सेम मीनिंग इज उत्सव या त्योहार, मीनिंग इज सेम फेस्टिवल. उत्सव या त्योहार के रूप में मनाया जाता है. वी विल सेलिब्रेट एज फेस्टिवल इफ वी गेट एनी चांस ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, if any birthday, and if any wedding anniversary or something like that. If there is any chance to celebrate, if there is any chance of happiness, we will never miss it, that we will celebrate. So that's why telling that India is the place of celebrations. Okay, त्योहार के रूप में मनाया जाता है. दक्षिण भारत में मनाए जाने वाले कृषि पर्वों में पोंगल का विशेष महत्व है. दक्षिण भारत, what is the meaning of दक्षिण भारत? उत्तर means north, so दक्षिण means south. in South India, दक्षिण भारत में मनाए जाने वाले कृषि पर्वों में, the festivals who celebrate in South India, कृषि पर्व मीन्स हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल, पोंगल का विशेष महत्व है. पोंगल is having such a importance. Do you understand? Pongal is one of the important harvest festival in South India. That is the meaning. Clear? So, Dakshin Bharat, South India, Krishi Parv, harvest festival. Harvest, do you know the meaning or the spelling? HARVEST, harvest festival. पोंगल का विशेष महत्व है, मीन्स हैविंग विशेष महत्व मीन्स व्हाट? इम्पोर्टेंस, मोर इम्पोर्टेंस. तमिलनाडु राज्य में धान की फसल कटने की खुशी में पोंगल का त्योहार मनाया जाता है. स्पेशली इन तमिलनाडु, तमिलनाडु राज्य में, इन तमिलनाडु स्टेट, धान की फसल कटने की खुशी में, एट द टाइम ऑफ हार्वेस्टिंग, पोंगल का त्योहार मनाया जाता है. the festival of Pongal they used to celebrate. Okay, how we will celebrate here Onam? Same way they will celebrate Pongal in Tamil Nadu. Okay, next paragraph. From this paragraph, I think you got the meanings. Next paragraph. पोंगल जनवरी मास के मध्य में मनाया जाता है. This festival Pongal used to celebrate in the month of January. Okay, in the month of January, middle मध्य में मनाया जाता है. In the middle of January month, they used to celebrate this celebration, the festival Pongal. ये तमिल कैलेंडर के अनुसार ताई नामक मास की प्रथमा को मनाया जाता है. According to Tamil calendar, this celebration or this festival is in the month in Tamil calendar Tai namak, name of that month is Tai, named mass or mahina in that month pradhama को मनाया जाता है. pradhama means in the starting or in the beginning of that month Tai they used to celebrate Pongal. Tai Masa Pongal that used to tell. Then ये सूर्य के उत्तरायण में होने का सूचक है. They believe that it is what सूर्य के उत्तरायण में होने का सूचक है. They used to tell or believe that the sun will be in northern hemisphere. Okay. Then माना जाता है कि इस दिन से सूर्य भूमध्य रेखा से उत्तर दिशा की ओर जाने लगता है. They consider that what इस दिन से from this day onwards sun move towards northern direction. Okay. So the meanings from this paragraph, Tai Namak, that is the name of month. Pradhama means beginning or starting. Uttarayan means northern. Uttar means north. Okay. Third paragraph. पोंगल का उत्सव विभिन्न नामों से कई दिनों तक मनाया जाता है. ओणम, we know that used to celebrate 10 days. So same way, not exact like Onam, but there is a similarity. How Pongal का उत्सव, the festival of Pongal, विभिन्न नामों में in different names कई दिनों तक मनाया जाता है. They used to celebrate many days. How पोंगल से पहले का दिन भोगी कहलाता है. First day of Pongal, it's known as Bogi. What is the name of first day of the Pongal? That is Bogi. Then Bogi पर घरों को झाड़ पोंछ कर साफ किया जाता है. First day, what they will do? First day, they used to sweep their house and they will wipe their floor and all, and that means that day is the day of cleaning. The house they will clean neatly. Okay. झाड़ पोंछ कर means sweep and wipe. Okay. साफ किया जाता है. They will clean their house. लोग अपने घर आंगन की लिपाई पुताई भी करवाते हैं. And not only that, their घर and आंगन, their house and their courtyard, लिपाई पुताई, actually it's a meaning smeared over of surface or painting. इस दिन घर की पुरानी चीजों तथा टूटे फूटे सामान को बाहर निकाल देते हैं. And this day they will dump it, all the old things from their house and टूटे फूटे सामान, the broken things, if they can use that things, but if that is broken, they will throw it or they will dump it. Okay, so बाहर निकाल देते हैं. They will dump it in the basket, waste basket. बोगी की रात इसे जलाया जाता है. And in the day of that bogi, the first day, what they will do? They will burn it. The old things and the broken things, all they will dump in one place and they will burn it. Okay. इस अवसर पर लड़के बोगी कुट अथवा और अर्थात छोटे छोटे ढोल बजाते हैं और नाचते हैं. This day, the children, especially boys, they used to play the drums, like small drums, not that much big one. That is known as bogi kut. And that means छोटे छोटे ढोल बजाते हैं. They will play small drums. That is a part of their celebration. Okay. अपने next paragraph. लिपाई पुताई means you can write painting. That's enough. टूटे फूटे means broken. पुरानी means old. ढोल means small drum. ढोल small drum. बजाता है means playing. Play the drum. नाचते हैं means dance. These are the meanings. Then next paragraph. अपने वातावरण को स्वच्छ तथा शुद्ध रखने की दृष्टि से बोगी का विशेष महत्व है. The bogi, the first day, it is special because अपने वातावरण को स्वच्छ तथा शुद्ध रखने की दृष्टि से, according to the view of, we have to make clean and neat our वातावरण, environment. So as a view of that, it is very special. बोगी देवराज इंद्र की प्रसन्नता के लिए मनाया जाने वाला पर्व दिवस है. Actually, they believe that what this day, that means first day बोगी, देवराज इंद्र, देवेंद्र, इंद्र देवों का राजा है, उसकी प्रसन्नता के लिए, to make him happy, this festival or this first day they used to celebrate. बोगी देवराज इंद्र की प्रसन्नता के लिए मनाए जाने वाला पर्व दिवस है. This festival or the first day in the festival of Pongal, first day Bogi used to celebrate to make happy the king of what goddess. Okay. क्योंकि खेती के लिए इंद्र का प्रसन्न होने का आवश्यक है. Because they believe that for farming what they want, इंद्र का प्रसन्न होना आवश्यक है. They believe that Indra want to become happy, then only they will get such a good harvest. Okay. जिस प्रकार प्रकृति नई कोमलें धारण कर अपना रंग रूप संवार लेती हैं, उसी तरह सब अपने घरों को साफ कर उन्हें नया और सुंदर रूप देते हैं. How the nature, that means now we know that it is a time of autumn. The leaves of some, not all, almost all trees leaves used to fall. This is the time of that. Same way, and after that what will happen? It will start to grow as small new sprout. Same way, the nature or trees, they will leave their leaves, and after that few days start to grow again, and it will be become more beautiful. Same way, we have to clean our house. सब अपने घरों को साफ कर उन्हें नया और सुंदर रूप देते हैं. Same way, everybody should clean their house, and new, they have to make the house and all like new model or like new or fresh. Okay. नई फसल के चावलों को पीसकर कोलम बनाए जाते हैं, and the new crops and all that they will grind, and with that powder they will make column in front of their house. On the courtyard they will make column. दीवारों और फर्श पर देवी देवताओं की आकृतियां बनाई देती हैं. दीवार means wall. On the wall and on the first means floor, what they used to do, they will draw like picture of god and goddess. This is the first day. From the back side or exercise meanings you have to write and study 5 times. That I will read. Uplabdhi. What is the meaning Uplabdhi? Just look in the textbook. Uplabdhi, Prapti, achievement. Then second word, Krishi Parvom. What is the meaning? खेती संबंधी त्योहार, agricultural festivals. Okay, then महत्व, what is the meaning महत्व? Importance. उत्तरायण, जब सूर्य भूमध्य रेखा से उत्तर दिशा में हो. The summer solstice, that means in the time of or in the month of summer or in the period of summer season, the sun will be in the place or there it will be in the northern side, so we will feel more hot. That is Uttarayan. Then सूजक, बताने वाला, indicator. Then अर्चना, that means प्रार्थना, prayer. सहायक, मदद करने वाला, helper. Then खलिहान, फसल रखने की जगह. These meanings and all write and study 5 times. Then मौखिक question answers that I will send through WhatsApp. Okay, meanings you just copy down in your notebook. मौखिक and लिखित which question answers you have to write and study, I will send through WhatsApp. Okay, that also you have to write and study 5 times. Clear? So this is all for today's class and we will meet in next day. So till then, bye bye, see you, bye.